Hi guys, good morning. Today we'll see OmniStudio Developer Certification maintenance for summer 24. So what is the new name for data raptors? That is a data mappers. So why Salesforce recommended that developers remove organization and a profile standard objects from data mappers? We'll go for C. A customer portal users cannot access these standard objects starting in Spring 25. Why Salesforce recommended that developers remove Omni Studio components from within unlocked packages. Salesforce will not support Omni Studio components in unlocked packages. Next, so which feature can developers use to make secure outbound HTTP calls from an Omni Studio org? That is Salesforce Private Connect. So, what is the benefit of automatic upgrades for the Omni Studio managed package? We'll go for D. So, production environment stay current with the latest features. User get early access to features their sandbox. So, what is the first setup step to allow one user to send or sign the document for other users in a document sign? We'll go for C. Create a send on behalf field in the user object. Next, so how does the developer enables the address autocomplete setting in an Omni script? So add a type header block to the Omni script and configure a Google Mapper settings. Now check the quiz. Done. So we successfully completed Omni Studio Developer Certification, the maintenance summer 2024.